Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So, in the previous sessions, we already started with exercise and have completed till exercise 2. In today's session, we will continue with exercise number 3. So, let's begin. Bismillah. So, here it is written Tamreen, and we already know that Tamreen means exercise. Okay, and here it is written 3 in Arabic. So this is tamreen or exercise number 3. Okay, so here on top it is written ikra waqtu. Okay, ikra waqtu. Now ikra means to read, and here wa means and kataba here it means to write. Okay, so the complete translation of this statement is to read and write. So here in this exercise, we have to do 3 things. First, we need to get familiar with the pronunciations of all the words over here without having harakat on them, like they're not having dhamma, fatha, kasra, or no zabar, zir, pesh on them, right? So this is for us to get familiar with those words and for us to read the Arabic without having harakat on them. Second, then we have to write them in Arabic, so this will help us with the writing practice. And third, we will translate them in English. So let's start with the first statement. Here it is written هذا maktabun. Okay, هذا maktabun. Now we know that haza means this. Okay, haza means this, and maktabun, there are no harakat over here, so we'll add the harakat for our understanding. Now it is maktabun, so it will be fatah, there will be jazm on kaf, then there will be fatah on ta, and tanween on top of ba. Okay, maktabun, maktabun. Maktabun, we already know that this word means a desk. Okay, maktabun. Haza maktabun. Haza maktabun. Haza means this. Maktabun means a desk. So then we have to write again in Arabic. Haza maktabun, meaning this is a desk. Okay. Now likewise we will continue with the second statement. Haza masjidun. Haza masjidun. Haza means this. Masjidun means a masjid. Okay. Now it will be fatah. Then there will be sukun on top of sin. Then there will be kasra below jim, and then there will be tanween on top of dal. Hada masjidun. Okay. Hada masjidun, meaning this is a masjid. Okay. So we will write hada masjidun. Okay, meaning this is a masjid. Okay. Next, hada qalamun. Hada qalamun. Hada means this, and qalamun means a pen. Okay. Qalamun. Hada qalamun, meaning this is a pen. So we'll just write it here. Hada هذا قلم. Okay, meaning this is a pen. Next, هذا سرير. هذا سرير. هذا means this. سرير means a bed. Okay. سري جزم and then tanween. سرير. هذا سرير meaning this is a bed. So we'll just write it here. هذا سرير. Okay, meaning this is a bed. Okay, moving on to the next. ما هذا. ما هذا. ما means what. هذا means this. ما هذا meaning what is this. Okay. ما هذا meaning what is this, and this is a WH question. Okay. Moving on to the next. هذا كرسي. هذا كرسي. So we know that هذا means this. كرسي meaning a chair. Okay. So there will be dhamma, and then there will be jazm on ra, and then there will be kasra below sin, and there will be tanween on top of ya. Kursiyun. Okay. So it will be haza kursiyun, meaning this is a chair. Okay. Moving on to the next. Ahaza baytun. Ahaza baytun. We know that means is, haza means this, and baytun means a house. So the final translation is this a house? Ahaza baytun. Is this a house? Okay. So let's write over here. Haza baytun, meaning is this a house? Question mark. Ahaza baytun. Ahaza baytun. Is this a house? Next statement, which could also be answer to this one. La haza masjidun. La haza masjidun. La means no. Haza means this. And masjidun meaning a masjid. Okay. No, this is a masjid. La haza masjidun. Okay, so we are running out of space. I'll just write it over here. La haza masjidun. Masjidun meaning no, this is a masjid. Okay, now last. Mahaza. Mahaza. Haza miftahun. Mahaza. Haza miftahun. Ma means what? Haza means this, meaning what is this? And the answer here is haza miftahun. Haza means this. Miftahun means a key. So ma haza, what is this? Haza miftahun. Haza miftahun meaning this is a key. Okay. So ma haza question mark. Then answer is haza miftahun. Okay. Miftahun. Miftahun, meaning what is this? This is a key. Okay, meaning what is this? And the answer is this is a key. So now let's revise everything that we have covered. So it is Tamreen 3, meaning exercise 3, and here it is written Ikra Waktub, meaning to read and write. Okay, now here it is written first Hadha Maktabun. Hadha Maktabun. Hadha means this, Maktabun meaning a desk. So this is a desk. This is what the final translation is. Hadha Maktabun. This is a desk. Next, Hadha Masjidun. Hadha Masjidun. This is a masjid. Hadha Masjidun. This is a masjid. Then, Hadha Qalamun. This is a pen. Hadha Qalamun. This is a pen. Then, Hadha Sarirun. This is a bed. Hadha Sarirun. This is a bed. Ma Hadha. Ma Hadha. What is this? Okay. Ma Hadha. What is this? Hadha Kursiyun. This is a chair. Hadha Kursiyun. This is a chair. Ahadha Baytun. Ahadha Baytun. Is this a house? Is this a house? La Hadha Masjidun. La Hadha Masjidun. No, this is a masjid. No, this is a masjid. Ma Hadha. Ma Hadha. What is this? Hadha Miftahun. Hadha Miftahun. This is a key. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, we have completed exercise 3, and in the next video, we'll move on with the further lesson. Jazakallah khair, and Assalamualaikum rahmatullah.